Alright guys, just got to the pond. It's raining as you can see. I don't have my waterproof case on, so I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, but I don't know. It's a little sketchy. And I have fluorocarbon on, so I mean. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, guys, on the frog. I know. Nice one on the frog, guys. What? Yeah, baby. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Spro frog does the magic, guys. Look at that bucket mouth. Look at that toad. Let's go. Not a bad fish to start off the day. I'm gonna get under the gazebo right now. Oh yes.
Wait.
Oh yes.
Hold on. I want to make this my thumbnail, okay?
All right, here. You
get a picture by this. Hold on, just put it behind it.
Like this?
Like no, like lie it down. Holy crap, dude!
Oh my god. Let's go. Look at that, guys. You're gonna put this guy in the water. Do this. Get him real fast. Fast.
We're good.
Fast. Just go fast.
Wait, shoot.
Go. Alright, hold on. Alright, here you go, guys. Look at that. That thing spawned. That thing's was spawned out.
Nice, dude.
Look at that mouth. Freaking destroyed that frog. I had one hook in him too, though. Alright, guys, let's get this guy back in the water. Looks like we're gonna be doing some frogging today, boys. Alright, guys. Definitely, that's an easy 3 right there on that Spro frog. That is a nice fish right there. Not bad at all. On that Spro baby frog right there. Just like that, guys. I'm gonna get a release on this thing, get maybe a picture or two. I'm gonna get a release on that nice 3, pushing 3-pounder. Just give him a little tap and he'll be good. There he goes. Guys, I'll get back to y'all. Oh my gosh. Dude, a bass just blew up on my line. He's about to destroy this frog. All right, guys, here it comes. Got him. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, I lost him. No. Oh my gosh. Dennis. Dude, I saw him eat it. Right at the bank. Oh my gosh. Y'all probably saw that too. I mean, he just, jeez. Oh my, yeah, guys, we're probably gonna be fishing this for another hour, 45 minutes, so. There you go, that's fish number 2. Okay, he's a little floppy. Little small, skinny guy. All right. There you go, guys, fish number 2. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. There's another fishy on the frog. Yeah, buddy. There you go, guys. On the frog. That's Spro Bronzy. This is the junior. Spro Bronzy Frog Junior. Got him good. Oh gosh. There you go, guys. That's number 3. Yeah, that's number 3 on the frog. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. Tough decision. There's a pond just across here, but this is in the way. There's a house right over there. Yeah, I don't know. don't know. I mean, I guess I'll go test the mud. Get out. I'm stuck.
Bro, your flip-flop.
I know. Oh
What
my.
are you gonna get? It's gonna close up the hole, bro.
Which hole is it in? I remember which hole it's in. I think it's somewhere down here.
And then
Oh, I found it. I found it.
the other one's by your other foot.
Is it this one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, never do this. Feel like one rod, one reel right now. Cleaned off best I could, but now I'm gonna get like freaking leeches and like die of malaria. I mean, I don't even know if you can get malaria from leeches, but you can get something. They kill you. I was taking that time lapse. Dennis got one
Finally.
on that fluke.
Just got one on the fluke. I'm so excited. Slam is complete. Thanks for watching this episode. Really hope you enjoyed.
Just kidding. This episode is not over. I'm gonna try to get one more fish. There we go, guys. Oh. Looks like we're ending the day on a little guy. But not bad. Decent to fish. I've had a big struggle at the end, guys. Nice hook set. It's been a struggle at the end of the day. After that frog bite turned off and it stopped raining, everything sort of slowed down, it seemed. But managed to catch this little guy on that nose hooked Strike King Dream Shot. But there you go, guys. Tiny fish, but thanks for watching this episode of Bass Extra. Be sure to catch us next time, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. There he goes.